Faith Ringgold was born in 1930 in Harlem, New York. She was a pioneering painter, printmaker, mixed media sculptor, performance artist, and intersectional activist, whose powerful works fought against institutional racism and oppression. Her works use vivid imagery and bold colors to challenge preconceptions of Black identity, exposing social inequalities and racial tensions in America. Ringgold began her journey in political art when she first created her political paintings, the American People series, from 1963 to 1967. Ringgold is most known, however, for her innovative use of quilting and storytelling techniques that revolutionized the art world by bridging the gap between fine art and craft traditions. Her quilts were known to weave together personal and collective stories of being Black in America. Black art in America is fortunate to have a number of Faith Ringgold's prints as part of our Fine Art Print Fair collection, including All Power to the People, a political poster and serigraph created in partnership with the Committee to Defend the Panthers in 1970, as well as Winton's Tune, another serigraph created in 2004. In partnership with Brandywine Workshop and Archives, BAIA is excited to represent Ringgold's Under the Blood Red Sky No. 9 as part of the Jones Road series. This was created in 2007 at Brandywine Workshop and Archives and expresses the story of the Underground Railroad. As an advocate for connection between Black artists and their communities, BAIA is honored to represent such influential work from the pioneering artist Faith Ringgold. To continue your support of our mission in supporting Black art, visit our website at www.blackartinamerica.com.